For Lesson 1, if you are an absolute beginner, select the SP/EN plus pause option. This way, after each sentence, the video will automatically stop for you to review. Only press play to continue the video once you fully understand the sentences. Note that in all the bilingual subtitles of our lessons, we intentionally do literal translation. That is, we attempt to translate from Spanish to English such that there's a word-to-word correspondence as much as possible. The English may sound slightly different or old-fashioned, but this would allow you to quickly learn the Spanish words at the same time. In this case, we intentionally translate to, for what is the table? You can see a word-to-word correspondence. Para means for, que means what, es means is, la means the, mesa means table. Now, keep playing and pause as needed until you get to the end of the video. Now, hit the reload button and select the SP/EN option. Pause at any time and take your time to fully understand the conversation. Now, keep playing and pause as needed until you get to the end of the video. Now, hit the reload button and select the SP/EN plus tips option. With this option, you'll see the explanations for the moderate cognates. Here, there's a cognate explanation for the word mesa. Watch the video until the end and hit pause to read the cognate explanations as needed. Note that only moderate cognates are annotated with explanations. The easy cognates don't need explanations, as their English cognate and meaning should be obvious. Now, hit the reload button and select the SP-only option. Watch and understand the entire video with Spanish-only subtitles. Now, hit the reload button and select the no caption option. Watch and understand the entire video without any subtitle. Now, hit the reload button and select the faster playback option. Watch and understand the entire video without any subtitle at a faster playback speed. Now, navigate to the knowledge check page and see if you can answer most of the questions. Now, we'll do a demo of a text-based lesson. Understand the Spanish text by referring to the English as needed. Note that the Spanish is always in green font. Here, you'll find explanations for the not-so-obvious cognates. Note that for a verb, the base form of the verb is always given in the explanation. For example, in this case, the base form sobrar is given. The tip at the end is for the sound change you can make to see the similarity with the cognate word more easily. Once you are done, click the SP-only option and reread the paragraphs entirely in Spanish. If there are certain words or sentences that you don't understand, refer back to the other option. Once you can fully understand the paragraphs without any lookup, congratulations! You've understood your first Spanish article.